him.
So Viv, what do you think is gonna happen? I mean, I heard you're gonna use my car and be my car. Let's start from top.
Start from top. You bought a car over here. See that? Your car, that one.
Right.
See?
Right.
This is the one I'm putting together.
Right.
Yeah. So I'm going to drive this one and race you with that one.
Okay.
And see that? And I'm not going to say that I'm going to win, but I'm going to win.
Oh, so you're gonna beat me? Okay, all right.
I'm not talking about you because you're my friend. So it's like I don't want to say I'm going to beat you. I'm going to beat the car.
Okay. Okay. All right. Cool. All right. Well, I mean, I know you like to dream, so keep dreaming, yeah?
No, I am dreaming.
I know you like to dream, so keep
not all the
dreaming.
times I'm confident, but this one I'm confident.
Nah, bro, you cannot beat me with this car. You cannot.
Explain to them the horsepower.
All right, this is 756, and this one is 713. Now tell me, guys, who do you think is gonna win?
Go ahead.
All right, this has a 62, 66 turbo.
All right, stop.
And this has a 62 turbo. This is on 32 pounds. This is on 41 pounds.
Tell them again.
32 pounds, 41 pounds.
Okay, I'm the man.
Alright.
Okay, I'm the man.
Alright. So we're putting this back together and we're gonna race. And he's quite confident that he'll beat me. So stick around, guys. It's about to get crazy. Yo, you'll be blowing past me.
Boss, bro.
Alright.
Like I said, we're friends. So when friends race, it's like you don't want to beat them, but you want to like make it competitive. You want to be like, oh shit, he's coming.
It's not gonna be that close.
Hey, we're back today. We're not even make it close enough.
Stay tuned. When the car is done, we have a big race coming up. It's gonna be epic. As you can see, we just put in the engine, we're locking it up. Should be driving real soon. Guys, this is where we're at with the Civic. Took off the tint, polished the car, just got it right around. Yeah, my little man hanging out today. Yeah. I always use my Guars. I think they're the best. So big up my guys. And I haven't done much really, just just took out the interior basically. Yeah, haven't reached the engine bay as yet, but so far I was just focusing on polishing the car and everything. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update. I mean, as I said, guys, this is a project. It's not going to happen overnight. So, as I do a little, here and there, I'll let you know. I'll let you guys know what's going on. Yeah. So I'll keep you guys in the loop with this car. I'm enjoying it. So, okay, guys.